Hello, English learners. Welcome to Basic English Every Day. You can use this video to learn and practice your English skills. There are many unhappy things in our lives that make us sad, boring, tired. But today, I want to share with you one important thing: how to think positively and find happiness in life again. Think positively. It helps us smile more, think clearly, and enjoy every moment. So, what is the first thing we need to do? Thought of your day matters. Every morning when you wake up, your first thought is very important. It can change how you feel for the whole day. If your first thought is happy and energy, your day can be bright and full of energy. But if your first thought is sad and boring, your day can feel heavy and slow. So try to start your day with a positive thought. You can say to yourself, "Today will be a good day and luck day. I can make something nice and do it well today. I am thankful for my life." When you think positive, your heart becomes lighter and calm. You smile more and feel more peaceful. Remember, one good thought can change your mood, and one positive morning can change your whole day. Try it tomorrow. When you open your eyes, think of something good. Maybe your family, your dream. Your day begins with your mind, and your mind begins with your first thought. Be gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for what you have, even for the small things. It helps you focus on the good in your life instead of what you don't have. Gratitude can change your mood in seconds because it turns negative thoughts into positive ones. It helps us show kindness and appreciation to the people around us, which builds good relationships with them. It's a small action, but it brings great benefits to our life. Gratitude doesn't need to be loud. It's quiet, but it can change your life and make it better. When you start to be thankful, happiness will come to you naturally. You don't have to feel good to do good. Sometimes we wait to feel good before we do something good, but life doesn't work that way. When you feel tired, sad, bored, or unmotivated, you can still do something kind or helpful. When you do something good, it makes you feel better. When you smile at someone, even if you don't feel happy, that smile can make both of you feel better. Sometimes saying kind words to a friend or a family member is just a small action, but it can make them feel better and even help heal their heart. I just want to say, don't wait for the perfect mood to do good things. Action creates kindness. When you act kindly, your heart becomes lighter and more peaceful. This is the way to heal your heart. So remember, start with small acts of kindness. Don't wait. Listen, share, and good things will come to you sooner. Finally, be kind to yourself. Many people always try to do good things for others, but they forget to be kind to themselves. We often blame ourselves when we make mistakes or feel that we are not good enough. But that's not good. Mistakes are natural. No one grows up without making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn, improve, and become more mature. So when you fail, don't say, "I'm terrible." Instead say, "I will do better next time." When you feel tired, take a break and rest to balance your emotions. And sometimes talk to yourself. Understand yourself better. Remember, being kind to yourself is the first step to finding happiness again. When you treat yourself with love and care, you become stronger and more positive. So be kind to yourself, because you deserve your own kindness too. Life is not always easy, and sometimes we all feel sad, tired, or lost. But remember, no matter what happens, you always have the opportunity to make things better, such as next time or tomorrow. Start each morning with a positive thought. Be thankful for what you have. Do good things, even when you don't feel good. And don't forget to be kind to yourself every day. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring your problems. It means facing them with courage, peace, and hope. When you think positively, you can find happiness again in your smile, your heart, and your life. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, stay positive, and always believe in yourself. Please like, share, and click the bell to receive notifications earlier. I'll see you in the next video.